YouTube, Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Tonight we're going to review the Techle Lighting Smart Wi-Fi LED Strip Lights. I bought these smart LED strip lights because I wanted to put them around my computer desk. I do a lot of flight simming and I want to emulate the red lighting that would be found in cockpits for nighttime. So with these though, you'll also be able to program them through Alexa and other devices to light up in different colors, which is great too, because let's say I just want to make it all flashy around the computer desk, around the monitors and stuff. You can have any color you want. Inside the box comes with a lot of things here. In a static bag, which it was nice to include that, they have the Wi-Fi adapter here, which will connect to an app on your phone. They also have a remote control. You have the lights themselves, and they have a 4-pin connector, which is pretty standard for these type of things. Lights themselves are 50 size. They are not waterproof. They also give the AC adapter, which is rated for 12 volts at 2 amps, which means 24 watts. They also give you connectors. These things will connect to the actual strips, and then you can screw it down to wherever you need to if you want to screw it into a wall or something. They also give you directions on how to do everything. It does have adhesive on the back of the strip too as well, and you can cut it to any length that you need, just cutting it along the connectors. The lights are 16.4 feet long. So that's pretty long. We have the Wi-Fi module here. They included this little 4-pin adapter. You're gonna stick that in first, and then you're gonna take the female connector here, and there's arrows right there. You're just gonna line up the arrow with the red arrow and put it right on. The second step would be to cut it to whatever length you want. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna use, so I'm gonna hold off on that. It says remove the back adhesive to stick it to where you want after you cut it to length. Again, I'm not gonna touch that just yet. Finally, once you do that, once you have it all stuck to wherever you want to, you can just snap these on to hold them up. The next step would be the AC adapter. What I like is that they have a lot of length there, so that I'm gonna be able to hide this behind the computer desk towards the power supply, which is good for me. But all you're gonna do is you're gonna take the end of the Wi-Fi module, you're going to connect it right in here. This right here is for the actual controller. That's what picks up the radio signal, if you will, from the remote to there. So on and off. Just aim the sensor towards the IR sensor on the end near the power supply and it'll work. Okay, let's turn it on again. Let's just try this flash button here. So now it's flashing. Let's try strobe. Wow, that's pretty cool. Fade. Just fading between colors. Pretty cool. Smooth it out. This is the smooth setting. Let's go totally red. Green. Now that's showing up blue on the camera, but I can guarantee that that is green. I don't know why that's not going through on the GoPro like that, but it is green. And then blue. You can see that that's very blue. There's a lighter orange, which kind of looks like a yellow if you ask me. Again, the GoPro is not exactly showing pure quality of the light. It's pretty good. And last but not least, you could dim it. And you can also increase the brightness right there. So all in all, it's highly flexible with just the remote. The app itself is probably going to be even more flexible. On the card that they have in the package, they tell you to download the free app, and we're just going to scan this QR code, but it says Magic Home Pro free app. Just open up the app. So we just sign into the app, and it has basically all this stuff, and we're going to add this device. I'm going to add this by clicking the upper right with a plus sign, add device. And it's asking for permissions from my phone. So that was a location. It's searching for a device right now, and it seemed to have found it. LED Net A8277B. So I'm going to click on that, and it's connecting to the LED lights. All right, now it says it's going to take you to the Android Wi-Fi setting, and you're going to tap on LED Net A8. So basically, you're going to connect Wi-Fi to this by selecting that in the Wi-Fi menu. The things right here, LED Net A8277B. Click that, it's going to connect to it directly to the phone with Wi-Fi. I'm going to push the back button. Now it's asking for my Wi-Fi network. So it doesn't support 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, so you want to go with the 2.4 if you have a double, and you're going to enter in your Wi-Fi password. We entered my Wi-Fi password, and now it's connecting to the device. And it just changed colors, so I'm thinking that it's probably detecting it, which is a nice thing to see. And then you could set a name for the device. Whatever you name it is probably going to be used with Alexa, so you want to make sure that you know what it's called. So I'm going to call this Office LED Lights. I typed in Office LED Lights, I pushed done, and now it has it on what it is. It's on, and the brightness is set to 100. So this is your main power on and off. Turned it off, worked perfectly. Turn it on. Let's click right on it, and we'll probably get all our options. You have your red, green, blue values up here. It's totally green right now. It seems like it has some savable settings here. So you can save colors, which is awesome. Just move it into different colors here. I'm gonna go red now. So there's a little bit of a delay. It's not much of a delay, but colors seem to be pretty accurate. Again, the GoPro is not picking up the colors that are shown. You could enter in separate RGB values. You can also adjust the brightness down here, and that really works. So that's off at 0. So the app is highly customizable. It's really nice to see. Oh, they have some custom settings here. You can have a red-green crossfade. Let's check that out. And there's a speed on that too, so let's crank that up. There you go. That's cross-feeding the red and green. I'm going to open up the Amazon Alexa app. So in the Amazon Alexa app, you have to find the skill of the Magic Home app. So I'm going to type in Magic Home under skills, and it's going to search for it. It says right here, and we're going to click on that. And we're going to enable it to use that app. So it says closest window to discover smart home devices. So close that. It's going to discover devices. Pretty easy. All right, found one light. So there you go. Your light has been added to the Alexa account. You could set it up right here. I'm not going to choose a group or anything. I just want to be able to use it with voice commands. So it's called Office LED Lights, like I said. So it tells you exactly what to do. So I'm going to turn these off with Alexa. And Alexa's right over there because we're in the kitchen here. So Alexa, turn off Office LED lights.
Okay.
And there you go. All right, let's turn them on. Alexa, turn on Office LED lights.
Okay.
And there you go. And it's with the last color setting that you had too. As you can see, perfectly works with Alexa. The LED lights are installed. I have them exactly where I want them. I did a shape right around the under edge of the top shelf there on my computer desk. I got a 3-monitor setup, and they look fantastic. When flying at night on the simulator, I have no problems with glare anymore. You can clearly see that. You can see the screens, no problem. So we keep the lights off, we keep the LED lights on, and it does a great job. As far as settings, I'm not even at 100% brightness. I have it set to 15%. If I do 100, it's gonna go like this, which is really, really bright. So I found that it kind of goes off the bezel a little bit. If I do that, it's kind of like a reflection. So that's why I like 15%. Now, how bright can this get? Well, let's go totally white lighting at 100%. That's pretty bright right there. So yeah, that's looking pretty good. And again, we'll go back to 15% red. And again, you could change the colors to whatever color you want. Got some yellow there. Got some green, aqua color, blue, purple. You could also set it to music or microphone, some party lighting if you will. But again, you can save your presets at any time, and I'll go exactly to what you need it. I'll select some music from my phone. Just reads the music right off the phone, and so you can have a little party, and wherever you install these lights, it does an excellent job. With the length of the lights, I was able to do it twice, going up and then back down and up. So this is 2 sets of lights stranded together, kind of going in a arch shape around the desk. Definitely awesome. And again, you could adjust the brightness whatever you want. Pros about the Techle lighting smart Wi-Fi LED strip lights. Easy to program. I like the app a lot better than the remote they give you. The remote's good though if you're just kind of like wanting to get it done fast and not have to fool with settings. The app itself is pretty easy to use. Nothing really that's over the top. It does have a little learning curve to it, but not much. And it's able to really get the lights to be whatever you want. Again, for my setting for flight simming, it's amazing. It does a nice job. Cons about the Techle Lighting Smart Wi-Fi LED strip lights. If you pick a color that's kind of in between red, green, blue, sometimes it doesn't come in at the right hue with the lights. However, for red, green, blue, cyan color, yellow, green, those colors come in great. Purple comes in pretty good. It's just once in a while the color's just a little off if you're really going in between a lot of different colors. Other than that, I really see nothing wrong with these Wi-Fi lights. It's amazing that you can start them up and down with Amazon Alexa and other voice services. It's really cool. It's nice to leave some music on and just have it kind of party down with your computer. And yeah, it does a great job. Overall, if you're looking for some LED strip lights, programmable, Wi-Fi capable, voice activated, the Techle Lighting Smart Wi-Fi LED strip lights are definitely awesome and ready to go. I do highly recommend them. Again, if you're looking for extravagance in color, you're not going to be let down. It's just a couple colors show up just a little off, but not many at all though. I mean, if you're going with red like I do, it's amazing. It keeps the color it needs. If you'd like to purchase your Techle Lighting Smart Wi-Fi LED strip lights, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase helps support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.